to my channel. I'm Andina, and in this video I will do a review and sharing my experience with SheCodes Responsive workshop. This is the third part of SheCodes review workshop videos that I did. You can check the first part and the second part of the videos through the link here. And without further ado, let's go! So after I did Plus workshop, I had a coding break for a month in January 2021, and I honestly feel the need to learn more about coding, but I'm not sure if React is the direction that I want to go with, because SheCodes also have like the React workshop, but I haven't had a chance to try their React workshop yet. And luckily in February they have like a new, completely new, fresh from the oven course, which is called SheCodes Responsive website. I received the newsletter through my email, and it was about learning how to develop a website and make it responsive, meaning that the interface of the website will be automatically adjust depends on the screen size or format. I was like, okay, this is it, because I have experience with website design previously. However, I don't know how to develop or build it like at that time. So I decided to join the SheCodes Responsive course. I joined the course in the second week after the release. The responsive course has total 5-week plan and 36 lessons to follow with the same method, like lessons, challenges, weekly homework, and final project. And also during that time you are free to chat with the technical assistant and also with the people, with the community through Slack group chat. In this course we learn about multiple pages of HTML and also CSS variables, CSS media, and responsive grids, responsive images with bootstrap, and also learn how to host and connect your code through GitHub and deploy it to Netlify and to be able to make it live as a website. The final project of this course is to build a responsive website portfolio. So this is also an important project for the student. In this way, the student might be able to build a kind of resume and portfolio in the website, and also able to showcase their projects during their coding journey as well. And they can also show this website to the hiring manager or to potential companies, so they can say that I built this website by myself from scratch, and also the projects inside, like the project showcase in this website, I built it myself. So not only to be able to learn about website development, but the student also have a Word portfolio to showcase. And SheCodes already provided 3 templates, website templates to start with, so the students can choose which one of the website that they like the most and can start from there and build it without worrying too much about the design itself. I made one design for myself as usual. I have my own concept. I made my own illustration and my own prototype and mock-up. I did it with Figma to start with, so I can just check my design and then build it with code. So in this way I can have my own resume or portfolio to reach out to the new potential clients, or as a page to showcase my projects or my works as well. Might be important for me as well to show to the potential hiring managers or hiring company. So you can see that this is the website, my portfolio that I did during the course, and I still constantly updating it. I add more pages, I also add this carousel like Instagram posts on my page, and I'm really proud of it because I added this page after the course, so I did it by myself and constantly updates my portfolio whatever I want, whenever I want. So what do you think? Do you like this project? And you can also see the source of code on my GitHub, which I will put the link on the description below. So far, out of the 3 courses that I did, this is my favorite one. This is my favorite one. I think it is really useful and also able to sparks my creativity or sparks ideas in which kind of projects that I want to do in the future, or what kind of direction that I want to go with this kind of course and knowledge. I'm currently building one personal project with the knowledge that I get from this course, and I think this course is really helpful and useful for you who has interest in design or website development. So you can learn on how to build the website and also as a responsive website, not only for desktop. The project is important for you to build your portfolio, but might as well, if you have another idea or another project that you want to build during the course, no problem. I saw a lot of students make their own projects with this project, like store project or shop, their online shop or their small business or everything that you want. So this is really useful for you, and you can see all the amazing projects that the students make on their Hall of Fame page. So you can see all of their awesome projects there, and I definitely recommend you to take this course if you want to step up your coding skill, especially leaning towards website development. So I hope my stories could be helpful for you to decide in which course you should take, or at least give you insights about SheCodes workshop. And please help me to grow my channel by subscribing to my channel, and leave like and comment and share this video to your friends, and let me know if you have any suggestion on what kind of videos that I should make for the next video. And thank you for watching. Bye. See you.